is straight like this. What we really want is for the whole hand to be flexible and the fingers can bend, and it's very important the little finger can take the weight of the bow when needed. So in the other videos that we've made, we talk about the balance of the bow and the bow hold, and so today is really focused specifically on the little finger, and it has to be quite strong to take the balance of the bow. It really needs to bend both knuckles, yeah, so you really don't want to have this a straight little finger, that's no good at all. So one of the exercises that I like to do with my students is called windscreen wipers, and that's the name I give it for little children. And so it's just a tilt of the bow, it goes up and down. Now the thing about this is not to use the whole arm. So if you clamp with your other arm, so you're clamping your wrist, try not to use the whole arm like this when you're doing this, because this is not going to be effective at all. So we're clamping the wrist and then we take the bow up just a little bit, making sure that your little finger is bent. And the thing is, you don't need to move too far. You don't need to go right up here. That's not the purpose of this, is to feel that the little finger is working, the muscle is working, and that it's strengthening and it's bent. So that is really what you want to be doing. And then every now and again, just double check that you can support it with your other hand. Double check that your fingers are in the right place. Your thumb is bent. There you go, thumb bent. Yeah, and the finger spacing is correct. So I recommend doing 5 of these at a time, stopping and checking, no more than 10 or 15 a day. Really, it should be as long as you're feeling it in the little finger, but not so that it hurts or that you're feeling any kind of pain. That's no good at all. So it's just a strengthening exercise for this little finger, and eventually you should be able to do it without the hand clamping the other arm and freely like this. And that's what you want. Okay?